الجولات السياحية في شهر رمضان الكريم بتكون غالبا في المساجد الأثرية، وقلعة صلاح الدين الأيوبي اللي دايما بيجي بيزورها في مسجد محمد علي وبيتعرف عليه وبيعرف تاريخه وآثاره. لكن احنا جولتنا النهاردة السياحية في نص ساعة سياحة هتكون مختلفة جدا. هنكون في مسجد الناصر بن قلاوون ومسجد سارية الجبل. يا ترى ايه قيمتهم السياحية والأثرية؟ ده كله هنعرفه النهاردة ونص ساعة سياحة.
رمضان كريم الله أكرم، ندهت أذان مغرب وأرحم. رمضان كريم الله أكرم، ندهت أذان مغرب وأرحم. من نسمة بتهفهف وتفوت، برد وسلام على من أسلم. من نسمة بتهفهف وتفوت، برد وسلام على من أسلم. رمضان كريم الله أكرم.
احنا النهارده داخل نطاق قلعة صلاح الدين، هذا المزار السياحي الأثري اللي بيحتوي الكثير من الجوامع. 3 جوامع بالفعل هي اللي موجودة حاليا، هنعرف عنها أكثر من خلال لقائنا مع أستاذ وحيد أبو الدهب وهو مفتش آثار في منطقة القلعة. أهلا بحضرتك.
أهلا وسهلا بحضرتك. أهلا وسهلا.
يعني الجوامع اللي موجودة في منطقة القلعة
هنا في منطقة القلعة في 3 جوامع: جامع الناصر محمد اللي احنا فيه عصر المملوكي،
الناصر محمد بن قلاوون،
وجامع سارية الجبل، وجامع محمد علي.
ترتيب الأقدمية
جامع الناصر محمد عصر المملوكي، وجامع سارية الجبل عصر عثماني، وجامع محمد علي عصر عثماني. جامع الناصر محمد بن قلاوون ده مبني على الطراز المملوكي، بمعنى صحن أوسط مكشوف. تخطيط الجامع عبارة عن صحن أوسط مكشوف يحيط به 4 أروقة، و4 أروقة أكبرهم دايما رواق القبلة. يتكون رواق القبلة من 4 بلاطات، والمقصود بالرواق هي المسافة بين الجدار والعمود أو بين العمود والعمود. وهذا الجامع له مدخلين تذكاريين: مدخل الرئيسي بتاعه في الجزء الشمالي الغربي، وده مدخل الرئيسي بتاع الجامع ويعلو من أعلى مقرنسات. ويوجد في هذا الجدار المأذنة الشاهقة بتاعة جامع الناصر محمد، الموجودة في مأذنتين في جامع الناصر محمد: مأذنة في الجدار الغربي بالمأذنة، والمأذنة الثانية في الجدار الشمالي الشرقي. والموجود هنا هذا الجامع مبني على أنقاض جامع أبليل اللي هو جامع السلطان الكامل محمد، الذي قام ببناءه عام 615 هجريا. فقام الناصر محمد ببناء هذا الجامع على أنقاض هذا الجامع. ومعروف أن الملك الكامل محمد هو الأول من نقل الحكم إلى القلعة. والسلطان الناصر محمد بن قلاوون قام بتأسيس هذا الجامع. ونلاحظ في الجدار الشمالي الغربي المأذنة، وهو عبارة عن مأذنة 3 أدوار. الجزء الأول طابق الأرض الأولاني مربع، ثم طابق الثواني ينتهي بشرفة، ثم طابق الثواني، ثم شرفة أخرى يعلوها خوذة هذا الجامع وعليها كتابة. ودي المأذنة اللي في الجزء الشمالي الغربي. ومأذنة أخرى في الجزء الشمالي الشرقي بها فتحات وشبيهة بالمثل لهذه المأذنة، ولكن يوجد في الجزء الثالث بها عبارة عن جوسق فيه 8 أعمدة، وانتهي كذلك بخوذة.
لما تلاقي نجوم السما مليانة إيمان، واما تلاقي الخير والحب في كل مكان، واما تلاقي هلال نور في السما فرحان، يبقى بعود رجوعك لينا يا رمضان.
من داخل مسجد محمد علي التقينا مجموعة من الألمان لكن معهم مصريين، هنعرف حكايتهم، هنعرف اختاروا المكان ليه عشان يزوروه. Nice to meet you lady. Your name please?
Sabina Elizabeth.
Yeah, Elizabeth.
Yeah.
So you are proud as a queen, I think.
Oh no.
When I ask you about which first place you visit?
Here in Cairo.
Yeah.
So that was the first place today.
What first place?
Yes,
How
the
long
first
you stay
day.
here?
They stay 3 days here, and we start here with the Citadel and the Alabaster Masjid.
Perfect.
After this, we want visit where we go, Sarah? Khana Khalil.
Khalili.
Khalili,
For souvenirs.
Yeah.
Your name, lady, please.
My name is Gabriele Bianecke.
Yeah. From where?
I'm come from Germany.
You too.
Yes.
Where in Germany?
Bavaria.
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 Welcome. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
So,
Yes.
what about your visit to Egypt? How long you stay here? Is it your first time or not?
I'm stay here about 12 days because we visit our friend in Fayoum, and now we are here in Cairo. And yesterday evening we saw the light show to the pyramid, and I enjoyed it very much. It was
In German or in English?
it was in French, but we had
Translator.
translator. Yes.
Perfect. Your name, lady?
My name is Christine.
Bavaria also?
Yes.
Yeah, welcome. 12 days and first
My
time.
girlfriend. Yes. The first.
أتعرف على حضرتك.
وائل.
وائل عايش في ألمانيا؟
لا عايش في مصر اكيد.
طب صداقة أو ولا مرشد؟
صداقه.
يعني مين اللي رشح لهم إنهم يجوا هنا؟
احنا رشحنا لهم قلنا لهم يشوفوا الاماكن القديمه اللي عندنا هنا.
المعمار الإسلامي.
المعمار الاسلامي القديم.
أتعرف على حضرتك.
صلاح.
صلاح يعني عايزه اقول برضو اخترتوا المكان ده ليه؟ دايما الاجانب لما بيجوا بيروحوا يزوروا الاهرامات الاول. هل هم زاروا الاهرامات الاول؟
لا، زرنا هرم هوارة، هرم اللاهون، هرم ميدوم، امبارح الصوت والضوء، النهارده
اهرامات الجيزه الصبح ليه؟
الجيزة بكره الصبح.
بكره الصبح. ابتديت بالقلعه.
ابتدائي بتقال ان هي الحاجه الوحيده اللي عايزين يشوفوها.
جميل جدا ان انت عديت اهرامات كتيره مش عليها نفس الاضواء زي اهرامات
بس
الجيزه.
احنا بنعمل لها يعني ترشيد ليها،
جميل جدا.
خدوا صور وفيديوهات فاكيد اصحابهم هيتفرجوا عليها يعني.
Lady, I know that you are living in Fayoum. You married Egyptian man?
Yes. Yeah.
I think he is.
Yeah. He.
So how long you living in Fayoum? How many years have you lived?
First we live in Cairo, and then we decide.
Before marriage?
No, after marriage we live in Cairo some years, and after this we decide to go in the countryside because I love countryside. So he respects my
It's
decision.
not only countryside, it's Fayoum countryside. It's very
Fayoum,
distinct.
yes, of course, it's very, very exciting also for me. And it's a very calm life because Cairo is a big town, and for myself, I do not like to live in a big town. I love the countryside, and
Some people saying about Fayoum that it's resemble Egypt, is a small Egypt.
yes, it's a small. Yeah, I know this. It is a very close soon. It's very close.
The
It's
same
very
environment,
different.
all environments. in
Yes,
Egypt.
yes. This is true. This is true.
So, what is your schedule? I mean, what other places you will visit? They told me that you will be going to pyramids.
Yes, tomorrow.
What other places you prefer to go?
We will visit the Great Pyramids, and also I hope the museum, if they want. Then we go to the big archaeologist museum that's world famous. They want to see also the tomb mask from Tutankhamun. And this is the plan for today and for tomorrow.
Have you tried any Egyptian food here or not yet?
Yes.
Can you remember the name?
No.
Can you remember the contents, the ingredients? At least, is it bread? Is it desserts?
It was bread.
Green soup, for example.
Yeah, the green soup was not
ملوخية.
my taste, but
You don't like it?
no, not my taste. It's too strong for me. But the others I preferred very much. The bread and something to dip inside. It was all very tasty. I preferred it, and I prefer the breakfast. The beans, I like them very much.
Yeah, the brown beans.
Yes,
What about falafel, طعمية?
yes, I like to.
You like it?
Yeah.
What about souvenirs? Do you think that maybe you buy some souvenirs from Khan el-Khalili, for example?
I don't know. Some postcards I will buy, and lights. I think so. Spices, yes, spices.
Who knows what's Ramadan? Do you have any idea about Ramadan?
This is a holy time for the Muslim people, so they have to stop eating and drinking, beginning with the sunrise up to I think 7 or 8 o'clock.
Sunset?
Sunset, yes.
Yeah.
And after this, they have excellent food.
Yeah.
This I know.
How could we determine the beginning of Ramadan?
I think it has to do with the moon.
Yeah, perfect.
The moon, yeah.
You're right, and you deserve this. It's fabulous.
Yeah, shukran, shukran, shukran.
في القلعة كمان قابلنا مجموعة من الصينيين برضو في جامع محمد علي. هم لسه واصلين لحسن حظنا، لكن بالتأكيد الجايد معاهم اداهم جزء من المعلومات. يا ترى حافظينها ثبتت في دماغهم ولا لا؟ هنعرف من خلال لقائنا. تعرف على حضرتك؟
حضرتك هشام خضر. هشام خضر.
صيني بس؟
أنا صيني وتايواني.
وتايواني، ما شاء الله. أهلا بيك. Your name please?
Vivian.
Vivian. First time in Egypt?
Yes, first time.
Speak English?
A little bit.
Perfect. Who speak English else? Your name?
Shiny.
Shiny.
Yeah.
Johnny.
Karen.
Sophia.
Yeah. What's your name, please?
Ian.
All of you from what place?
Taiwan.
Taiwan.
Taipei. I'm from
Not China. All of them are
different.
Sorry, so I think they are Chinese. So when we're talking about this place, do you like it or not, and why you choose this place to visit?
Asian, the history. Yes. So I want to look for the place where the about the history.
You like to watch places of history. I'd like to talk to him about his choose to come to Egypt. Why this choice in particular?
为什么你们喜欢？为什么你喜欢这里的？为什么你喜欢就是来到埃及旅游？
因为有历史啊，有文化。
لأن طبعا مصر بلد ذات حضارة طويلة، وطبعا حضارتنا طبعا أقدم حضارة في التاريخ، فطبعا هم بيحبوا الأماكن الحضارية اللي فيها معالم حضارية كتير.
Hey, so when we're talking about this place and other places, of course you have a lot of places in your mind to visit when you come to Egypt. Maybe pyramids, maybe Sphinx.
Yeah.
So can you mention what are the places you like to visit?
Pyramids. Yeah.
Sphinx.
It's
What about Nile? Luxor as well.
at the night.
Nile, the river Nile.
Also feel lots of historic. And maybe we
Fond
can.
of history.
Yeah, I saw the history. I got a story about the daughter, right? Yeah.
What other countries you visit from Taiwan? I mean, not only Egypt. What other countries for tourism sake?
I've been many places.
Many places.
Yeah.
Can you mention part of them?
For example, which place?
就是说一下，要说一下那个你去过哪些国家呢？
I've been America and Canada a lot.
America and Canada.
Yeah.
And who could recommend Egypt for you?
是叫你来埃及玩。
Oh, myself.
Yourself.
Yeah, because
Through net or through your studying?
to nature.
Nature.
Yeah.
She likes nature. So, lady, what are you busy?
sorry.
Don't worry.
I'm
What is
working
the
on
best photo you have?
Yeah, the food right now. So far.
Yeah, you shooting the food?
Yeah.
What kind of foods you like to have a photo? You can watch me.
But so far I just had a coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
Yeah, I have.
You like Egyptian coffee?
Yeah, I tried at the airplane. But
Airplane.
It's just okay.
And I know that your kitchen is very well known. Your cuisine is very well known. Taiwan. Yeah.
well known, yes.
Yeah. What about Egyptian food? You don't try any of them?
Actually, we haven't had it yet. But we will try it tonight.
Yeah. Hopefully you like it.
هم لسه واصلين حالا، فطبعا لسه ما جربوش.
هيزوروا ايه بالليل؟ What you will visit at night? Come in, please. At night. Where are you going at night? Sun and light?
对，今天晚上要去哪里？声光秀。
声光秀.
对，سهيزوروا إن شاء الله صوت الضوء في الهرم النهارده. صوت الضوء.
Okay, I enjoy your interview and I'd like to ask questions. Hopefully you know it because maybe you speak English better. So when we're talking about this place, there is mosques, So, do you have any information about the mosques here?
这个清真
就问你哈，就是说你对那个这里的清真寺有了解吗？
没有哎。
说一下那个这里的清真寺是最新的了，然后那个后面那个清真寺是最旧的了，
这边是
刚刚做讲解了。
哦，这边是最新的吧，然后那边是最旧的。
对，有那个700多年的历史。
700多年的历史。
清真寺有200多年的历史了。
对。
بتقول لحضرتك بس ان هي المسجد هنا بقاله تقريبا 200 سنه، وده يعتبر احدث مسجد موجود هنا في منطقه القلعه. وبالنسبه للمسجد اللي هو مسجد ابن قلاوون ده اقدم مسجد موجود في القلعه، تقريبا بقاله 700 سنه.
Perfect, thank you, congratulations. You win our prize in our program. Yeah, clapping for her. Thank you. And hopefully you visit Khan El Khalili to watch a lot of things like that.
لا تنقضي أنت للروح دواء. رمضان 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 يا حبيب. رمضان رمضان ليتك دوما قريب.
لو هنتكلم عن هذا المكان، متى أنشئ وما أهميته أثريا في هذا المكان؟
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أولا نبدأ الأول ده جامع سارية الجبل، ده أحد المسميات، وبرضه يسمى كذلك جامع الرديني وجامع منصور قسطة. ومنصور قسطة هو أول من أسس الجامع في العصر الفاطمي سنة 1146 ميلادي. ثم قام سليمان باشا الخادم بتجديد هذا الجامع، وقام بتجديده عام 1528 ميلادي، وده عصر عثماني.
يعني هو أنشئ من العصر الفاطمي؟
أنشئ من العصر الفاطمي لمنصور قسطة اللي هو كان والي من فاطميين.
سنة كام؟
سنة منصور قسطة سنة 1146 في العصر الفاطمي.
ونختار الموقع داخل القلعة.
ويقع هذا الجامع في الجزء الشمالي الشرقي من قلعة صلاح الدين، الذي أمر بإنشاء القلعة وتأسيسها في عام 1171 في بداية العصر الأيوبي. وهذا الجامع من إحدى جوامع القلعة، حيث يوجد جامع محمد علي عصر عثماني وأشهر جوامع القلعة، وكذلك جامع ناصر محمد ابن قلاوون عصر مملوكي.
هو أقدم الجوامع؟
أقدم الجوامع في القلعة جامع ناصر محمد ابن قلاوون اللي هو عصر مملوكي، وبعد كده في عصر مملوكي. أما جامع سارية الجبل عصر عثماني، وجامع محمد علي عصر عثماني.
رمضان كريم الله أكرم. ندهت أذان مغرب وأرحم. رمضان كريم الله أكرم. ندهت أذان مغرب وأرحم. النسمة بتهفهف وتفوت، برد وسلام على من أسلم. النسمة بتهفهف وتفوت، برد وسلام على من أسلم. رمضان كريم الله أكرم.
ضيفتنا دلوقتي معانا هي أمريكية وسعودية. هنعرف ازاي ده من خلال لقائنا. Nice to meet you. You speak Arabic or English? What do you prefer?
English.
Yeah, okay. So what's your nationality exactly?
So I'm half Saudi, half American.
Yeah, who is a Saudi and how is it?
My dad is Saudi, my mother's American. Yeah.
And where are you living?
I currently live in Australia.
Australia? Yeah.
Yes.
So what is the best destination for you if you're going for tourism's sake?
Every country in the world? Yeah, I would love to see every single country.
Maybe someone have a preferable destination comparing to others. What about you?
I like to go places with, a lot of history, beautiful nature, just things that are different than the things that I'm used to.
All your life is in Australia, your studies and everything?
No. So I lived a little bit in Saudi, and then I lived a little bit in America, and I've just been in Australia now for about 2.5 years.
But you don't speak Arabic very well?
I do, but I just get a little bit shy speaking Arabic because it's been a while.
So, what do you know about Ramadan?
You fast?
You are Muslim?
A month, yes.
Because of your dad, of course.
Yes, of course. It's fast, holy month. I always look forward to it, and I always wish that I'm in a Arabic country while it's happening, because when you're in a non-Muslim country during Ramadan, it's not as fun because not everyone is doing it with you, not everyone is fasting with you.
And for that, I'm asking you, you're living in Saudi Arabia and you're living in Australia and also in Canada, in United States of America, I'm sorry. So if we make a comparison about celebration of Ramadan, of course you feel it more in Saudi Arabia.
Of course.
What is the ceremony?
I mean, it's just everything. It's the whole country is participating in all the little things together. Even something as simple as when it's time for prayer and the stores shut down. You know, it's something really simple, but the fact that you all do it together, it's as a community, that's what makes it beautiful. But in America, it's very small community based.
So you prefer to spend Ramadan in Arab countries, in Muslim countries?
Yes.
How spending it in summer and in Egypt? Do you think you'll spend it in Egypt?
Unfortunately, I will not be spending it in Egypt because I do have to go back to work.
Unfortunately.
Yes.
So when we talk about the places you'd like to visit in Egypt, and if you come individually or with tour guide, and what's the different?
Well, I have a friend that lives here, so she's kind of my tour guide, but obviously she's not with me now because she has work, but it's quite easy with the internet today to look stuff up and just find your way, and people are really nice and friendly. And I think, you know, my experience here in Cairo is when people see that you don't speak Arabic, or in my case, I can a little bit get away with it.
Because your feature is Arabic.
Yeah, and everyone always assumes, and it forces me to kind of speak it. But people are very helpful, people are very nice.
Of course, for you, it's different to choose certain places to visit as a touristic place in Egypt comparing to other countries. So what are the best places you visit up till now in Egypt?
I went to the Egyptian Museum, and that was really cool. I got to see the King Tut mask or headpiece, and I thought that was really, really cool.
And mummies.
Yeah, and the mummies is amazing, and just the coffins and how they used to do the burial practices I thought was very cool. Obviously seeing the old mosques is always, it takes you back, I guess. But
what about Citadel? What's your impression about Citadel, about the mosques in Citadel?
It's old, like you can feel the history. I mean, it's not one of the newest, most beautiful, but it's beautiful because of how long it's been here for.
Yeah. And of course, you know the Arab foods. And what about Egyptian?
I actually ate kushari this morning for the first time, and it was really
morning.
Yes, I ate it for breakfast.
Yeah, kushari.
Yes.
What else? What other foods have you tried?
I had fool, and it was from the guy who served us on the truck.
Wow.
The hood of his car in the street. I was worried about my stomach, but it was fine. Yeah, and just mulkhia is amazing, and just going to different restaurants and trying everything. I've only eaten Egyptian food since I've been here.
What about the other days? Where are you going? What are you going to do?
Well, I would like to go to the Red Sea. So we were in El Gouna and Hurghada, yeah, and do like scuba diving and kite surfing.
You will stay here for a long time or not?
Well, that unfortunately I only have a little bit longer left.
Yeah,
so
unfortunately.
Yeah.
What about your vacation? How long?
A total of 2 weeks.
2 weeks in Cairo.
Yeah.
Of course, not enough.
No, never.
So maybe you come back.
My friend would like me to come back in September and potentially go to Sinai.
Yeah, hopefully so. So backing to Citadel, what is the newest mosque here?
This one?
Yeah. Do you know the name?
I forget. Muhammad Ali.
Yeah, perfect. Congratulations. This is a souvenir
thank you.
From our program. It's present, your reward, always you.
It's very exciting. Thank you so much.
A message to Australian people, Americans, and also Saudi Arab.
Come to Cairo.
Yeah, thank you. Because you are United Nations.
Yeah.
لما تلاقي نجوم السما مليانة إيمان، وأما تلاقي الخير والحب في كل مكان، وأما تلاقي هلال نور في السما فرحان، يبقى بعود رجوعك لينا يا رمضان.
حضارة عظيمة وآثار تنتمي لكافة العصور، كل ده موجود هنا في مصر، ومعلومات كثيرة تاريخية قيمة يجب أن نعيها جيدا كما يعيها الأجانب ويدركها عن مصرنا الحبيبة. كنا معاكم في شهر رمضان الكريم ونص ساعة سياحة. إلى اللقاء وحلقة جديدة.
الأول.